t. So by differentiating this equation we will get 1 plus dy by dx is equal to dt by dx. Okay, so if we differentiate this equation with respect to x, then the differentiation of that is 1, differentiation of y, that is dy by dx, differentiation of 1 is 0, is equal to differentiation of t, that is dt by dx. So we will get dy by dx is equal to dt by dx minus 1. Okay, so by putting this value in this equation we will get here the equation x plus y plus 1 whole square, that is equal to x plus y plus 1 is equal to t. So this is t square into dy by dx, that is equal to dt by dx minus 1. So we will get here, we will get this one is equal to t square into dt by dx minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, again I want to show you the main question, that is x plus y plus 1 whole square into dy by dx, that is equal to 1. This is equal to t square into dt by dx minus 1, this is dy by dx value. Okay, and is equal to 1. So I will get t square into dt by dx minus 1, that is equal to 1. So this is the after substitution of t instead of x. So I will get dt by dx minus 1, that is equal to 1 upon t square, and so dt by dx is equal to 1 upon t square plus 1, and so dt by dx, so dt by dx is equal to 1 plus t square upon t square. And as we have discussed in the last example, here the variables are separable, so we can use or we can solve this differential equation by the method of variable separable method. So by separating the variables we will get here, this one is equal to, we will get here this one is equal to, this one implies t square upon 1 plus t square into dt, that is equal to dx. So we will get here, we can write here t square plus 1 minus 1 upon t square plus 1 into dt is equal to dx. Here we know that if we want to solve this differential equation by the variable separable method, then we need to integrate this with respect to t and this side with respect to x. So by if we want to integrate this one, then we will need to write here, because in the denominator we have 1 plus t square, so I will try to put 1 plus t square here. So this is t square, so I will add plus 1 and subtract 1. Okay, so t square plus 1 minus 1 upon t square plus 1. So I will get here this one implies this, if I write t square plus 1 upon t square plus 1, this is 1 minus 1 upon t square plus 1 into dt is equal to dx, and by integrating both sides we will get, if we integrating both sides, we will get, this is integrating 1 dt, okay, minus integrating 1 upon 1 plus t square into dt, this is equal to integration of dx. Okay, this is the integration of 1 dt, integration of 1 upon 1 plus t square dt is equal to integration of dx. So this is integration of 1, that is equal to t, minus this is the formula of tan inverse t, integration of 1 upon 1 plus t square, that is equal to tan inverse t is equal to integration of dx, that is equal to x plus c. And by putting the value of t, we know that t is equal to x plus y plus 1. So after all, we will get x plus y plus 1 minus tan inverse x plus y plus 1 is equal to x plus c. The x will be cancelled out both sides. Then the final solution is y plus 1 minus tan inverse x plus y plus 1, that is equal to c, which is the required solution of the differential equation. So in this way, by the using the method of substitution, we can solve the differential equation in this way. Okay, so this is the solution of second question of question number 5b. So now we are going to solve the question number 3rd of question number 5b, which is the last example of this question paper. So now we are going to solve the last example of the question paper, which one is number 3rd. The question is solve sec square x into tan y dx plus sec square y into tan x dy is equal to 0, and we need to solve this differential equation, right? So first of all, and where the condition is given where y at pi by 4 is equal to pi by 4, and we need to solve this differential equation. So here we have given that sec square x into tan y dx is equal to sec square y into tan x dy. So here we will get sec square x into tan y dx is equal to minus sec square y into tan x dy. Okay, and so we will get here અહીંયા આપણને x વાળું ટર્મ છે sec square x into tan y into dx, અહીંયા છે minus sec square y tan x into dy. તો જો આપણે બંને કોર વેરિયેબલ સેપરેબલ મેથડનો યુઝ કરવા ઈચ્છતા હોય તો બંને બાજુ dx સાથે આપણે x વાળા ટર્મ અને dy સાથે y વાળા ટર્મને આપણે સેટ કરીશું. તો અહીંયા છે sec square x, તો એને આપણે એમ જ રહેવા દેશું. તો આપણને આવશે sec square x. રાઇટ હેન્ડ સાઈડમાં છે tan x વાળું ટર્મ છે, તેને આપણે લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડમાં લઈ આવશું તો આવશે sec square x upon tan x into dx is equal to minus sec square y upon tan y into dy. તો આપણે અહીંયા જોઈ શકીએ છીએ કે અહીંયા બંને સાઈડ લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડમાં x વાળા ટર્મ્સ છે અને રાઇટ હેન્ડ સાઈડમાં y વાળા ટર્મ્સ છે. ધેટ મીન્સ variables are separable in this differential equation, so we can solve this differential equation by the method of variable separable. So here sec square x upon tan x into dx, that is equal to minus of sec square y upon tan y into dy. So to solve this differential equation, we will integrate both sides. So by integrating both sides we will get integrating both sides we will get here, by integrating both sides, here we will get sec square x upon 10x into dx is equal to minus sec square y upon 10y into dy. Okay, so by integrating to integrate this expression we know that this formula, આપણે આ ફોર્મ્યુલા જાણીએ છીએ કે જો આ પ્રકારનું ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન હોય f dash x upon fx into dx is equal to log mod fx plus c. તો અહીંયા આપણે જોઈએ છીએ જે ફંક્શન f of x is equal to 10x in the left hand side and the differentiation of fx that is equal to f dash x and differentiation of 10x that is equal to sec square x. So we can use this formula here in the left hand side. In the same way in the right hand side we have the function 10y and differentiation of 10y that is equal to sec square y. So we can use this formula twice for the x in the left hand side and for the y in the right hand side though. So we will get the answer of integration is that is implies this the integration of integration sec square x upon 10x dx that is equal to log mod 10x is equal to minus log mod 10y and plus log c. Okay, and so by simplifying this one we will get log 10x plus log 10y is equal to log c, right? Log 10x plus log 10y is equal to log c, and we know that log a plus log b that is equal to log a into b. So we will get log 10x into 10y is equal to log c. Here log a is equal to 10x plus log b is equal to 10y. So log a plus log b that is equal to log a into b is equal to log c, and by taking anti-log both sides we will get 10x into 10y is equal to c. This is our general solution, which is general solution. But we need to find here particular solution because we have given the condition that y, the condition is the condition is given y at pi by 4 is equal to pi by 4. એટલે કે આપને એવી કન્ડિશન આપેલી છે કે જ્યારે x ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ પાઈ બાય 4 હોય એ જ ટાઈમે y ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ પાઈ બાય 4 થશે. આપણે આ કન્ડિશન યુઝ આ આપણા જનરલ સોલ્યુશન જે ઇક્વેશન નંબર 1 જેને આપણે કીધેલું છે એના કરશું. આપણે અહીંયા x ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ પાઈ બાય 4 મૂકશું અને y ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ પણ પાઈ બાય 4 મૂકશું. દેન ધ નંબર ઇક્વેશન નંબર 1 implies so equation number 1 implies 10 pi by 4 into 10 pi by 4 that is equal to c. ઓકે, કેમ કે અહીંયા આપણે લાસ્ટ ઇક્વેશન જે મળેલું છે એ છે 10x into 10y is equal to c અને આપણને x is equal to pi by 4 અને y is equal to પણ pi by 4 આપેલું છે. તો અહીંયા આપણે x ની જગ્યાએ pi by 4 અને y ની જગ્યાએ pi by 4 મૂકશું એટલે આપણને મળશે 10 pi by 4 into 10 pi by 4 that is equal to c. We know that 10 pi by 4 is equal to 1, so this is 1 into 1 is equal to c. So after all we will get c is equal to 1, and if we replace the value of c in our main general solution, then we will get the particular solution. So we will get, so number 1 implies 10x into 10y is equal to, here c is equal to 1, so we will get 10x into 10y is equal to 1, which is the required particular solution, which is required solution. Okay, so in this way we can solve the differential equation with the given, with the use of given condition. So not one thing, that when the any condition is given, at that time using that condition we can find the value of the arbitrary constant, and by putting the value of arbitrary constant in general solution we will get the particular solution of the given differential equation. So here we have find the particular solution of that differential equation, which is 10x into 10y, that is equal to 1, which is the value of c for the given condition y at pi by 4, that is equal to pi by 4. Okay, so in this way we can solve the examples of differential equation. So here we have finished the solution of question number 5. So this is the end of solution of question paper with for the June 2013 for the advanced mathematics group 1. Okay, this is the end of the solution of this paper. So this is that's it for this session. In the next session we will try to solve the question for paper of group 2 of advanced mathematics, which was also held on in June 2013 on the 6th